Hey, flower friends, it's Lisa Mason Ziegler coming to you this morning with your personal information on joining us for the show at 12 noon. Because guess what, friends? It is St. Patty's Day, right? And we are celebrating green flowers, green plants, green seeds that you'll be able to, or seeds that will grow into green flowers, green vegetables. So we're all about green. You can even see I have my green. This is the very first company little jacket, fleecy, that we bought 18 years ago, I think we figured out. Anyway, so 12 noon, we have a great show. Suzanne has picked up flowers because, we don't have flowers right now, right? She's going to be doing some flower demonstrating, showing how we use our simple and easy to use flower arranging supplies. I'll be doing a soul blocking demo. And guess what, friends? I am giving away $25 store credit. So you don't want to miss to enter, to get on that list, to be maybe the lucky one viewer who gets to choose that. So friends, I'll be talking about cool flowers, warm flowers, because there are people in areas that there can still start and plant cool season hardy annuals because they're so far behind us Southerners, right? So anyway, we're going to have a great fun time. And remember that I do a short Q&A wrap up at the end of the show. And we have a special deal of the day each week. And this week it's on cut flower food. And y'all, it's time to stock up on that stuff. Plus, the other big news is my book is back in stock, and we will have it on the show today, and I can't wait to talk about all this good stuff with you, y'all. So it's a green day. Sister, come over here. And Suzanne and I are dressed for the occasion. Green shirts, green flowers, green plants, green seeds that are going to grow into green stuff. So join us, 12 noon Eastern time, inside the app. And this is why you should always keep your baby sister around, y'all, to rely on, photo bombing you. But if you don't have our app, just go to your phone's app store. You can actually comment app here, and it'll DM you a link to go to your store, your app store, to get the live app, to get the live shop and show app. Because let me tell you what the deal is. Inside the app, you have so many features, including being able to commiserate with the other viewers. So join us, and I'll see you at 12 noon Eastern time inside the Gardener's Workshop live shop comment app.